Yo guys, today I'm in London. It's my birthday today actually, and I've taken my son here to help get his passport, for his Mexican passport. However, whilst I'm in London, I thought it would be a good opportunity to take some photos and video with the Note 9, and let's see how good the cameras really are on the Note 9. I've actually upgraded my Note 9, so it's had the updates for better photos and video, so let's see how good it is.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all.
So we're just walking down Regent Street, and I must say the architecture down here is pretty impressive. Just taking some photos on the phone, and it's quite interesting to see when you take video there is a little bit of a crop factor using the phone, but having the two lenses definitely does help to get you closer to the detail. Done on your birthday.
Touch me, I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I've just done some binge birthday shopping down Regent Street. Had to be done, and Regent Street's pretty cool actually. I haven't been there for a long time, so it's nice to do that. We just stopped at Piccadilly Circus, and you can see we've got the classic screens behind me. So I've been taking some photos with the Note 9. I'm looking forward to seeing how they turn out. The one thing I will say is that crop factor between video and photos is a little bit frustrating, in as much as I line up the photo, get into the position, take a photo, but then when I switch to video mode, I'm then having to go further back. So when you're doing street photography, videography, just worth noting that videos you're going to have to go even further back. That said, that doesn't mean it's going to affect the quality of the video footage at all. I'm sure it's going to be pretty decent. I've also done some tests with the 240 frames per second on the Note 9, so looking forward to seeing how that turns out as well. headed to Embankment and we've stopped for some lunch, and we've come to one of my favourite restaurants in this area. It is Lupita, which is of course a Mexican restaurant, and
I think it's the best place to celebrate that.
Yeah, seeing as we got Logan's birth certificate today, it made sense. And if you're British, the best way to remember it is Blue Peter minus the B. And just so I had Tinga burritos. What did you have, Andrea?
I have tacos al pastor, so pastor tacos, which is like pork with like a particular spice that were really nice. And I also have tortilla soup. It was nice. It was with corn tortilla.
Cool. And just to mention about this cropping on the video on the Note 9, I found out it's because I was filming in 1080p. If you film in 4K, that doesn't happen. So, quick tip for you guys. So if you have a look here, you can see there is just a dash of a crop when I click video. Just zooms in a little bit. So if I now hit the 2 times up here, we can see that's in shot. But now when I hit video, just a dash more of a crop. Sorry, there's a train behind me. Guys, this is selfie mode. Yeah, walking across the old bridge over the Thames. What do you guys reckon of the quality of this camera? Let us know in the comments below. Right guys, we are now about to go into the aquarium and have a look around. I'll take some photos in the Note 9 there and you can see what it's like in low light. What did you think of the hyperlapse that was taken on the Note 9 also? Let's go in. Right guys, well that's it, we've finished our sea life tour. and I believe we are going to go and grab some dinner now. What did you think of the Note 9, the photos, the video, all of the cameras? Do you think it lived up to expectations? What camera do you have? Do you think it's better or worse? Leave your comments below. We're going to go grab some dinner and I'm going to sign off now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week, guys. Take it easy, have a good evening. Peace.